Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the easiest way you can use cucumber to treat sunburn, to treat melasma, to brighten your skin, to brighten your face. It's super easy. The major ingredient you will need is cucumber. So without much talk, let's get right into it. So guys, the first thing you have to get is your cucumber. Go ahead and get one cucumber. Make sure that the cucumber is already washed. Then you cut it and you start grating it. Guys, cucumber is very effective to the skin. Cucumber has a soothing and cooling effect that helps to reduce redness and irritation. Cucumber is also widely used for treating sunburn and insect bites, as it helps to take the sting out of the affected area. So that's why I say that you can use cucumber to treat your sunburn. In a case where you don't have all the ingredients that I mentioned in this video, you can just go ahead and make use of only cucumber. Just get cucumber, cut it, and use the juice on the affected areas, be it on your face or on your skin, on your body. Go ahead and use the juice on your body, or you can mix it with just aloe vera and apply it on the affected areas. It will help a lot. So that's why cucumber is very, very effective. It also provides protective benefit, as it helps to fight off free radical which damage and age the skin so quickly. So after grating it, the next thing is to go ahead and extract the juice. So after extracting the juice, the next thing you need to add is lemon juice. Guys, lemon juice contains collagen, and collagen is what is responsible for maintaining the elasticity of the skin. And lemon juice also has the ability to reduce dark spots. One of the most common benefits of lemon juice is the ability to reduce dark spots, pigmentation, and help your skin brighten. So that's why we are adding lemon juice to this treatment, okay? It also has a brightening effect, which will help to brighten your acne and brighten your skin. So the next one here is turmeric. Turmeric is no longer new in skincare formulations. So almost every skincare product contains turmeric because of its ability to fade dark spots and fight anti-aging agents, moisturize the skin, and so on. So after that, I added aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel is what will help to soothe your skin. It will also help to lock in moisture on your skin. So go ahead and add it, and after that, it's ready to be used. So guys, here I have the regimen with me, and I'll be showing you guys how you can use it to treat sunburn, how you can apply it on your face for effective result. The first thing you have to do is to go ahead and wash your face. After washing your face, you get your cotton wool, then take some amount of it and apply it all over your face. Go ahead and apply it all over your face. Like I say, this treatment will help to soothe your skin. It will help to cool down your skin from the irritation it's having. It will help to treat the dark. It will help to treat the sunburn. It will help to, give you a soothe feeling, okay? It will help to give you that soothe feeling that your skin will feel alive again. This treatment is effective. So just go ahead and apply it all over your face. And after applying it all over your face, you wait for some minutes, for 30 to 35 minutes for it to dry up. Once it dries up, you go ahead and wash it out with lukewarm water. For the remaining one, you can store in the fridge and use it within 2 days. And after 2 days, you discard the rest of it and prepare a new one. Okay, so you have to be consistent with this treatment for you to see the result. Okay guys, like I said, this will help to give your skin that soothe feeling. It will help to release you from the burning sensation you're feeling on your skin due to the sunburn. It will help to give you that cool feeling. So go ahead and wash your face with lukewarm water, and after washing your face with lukewarm water, you go ahead and apply your face cream. Okay, at this point, because you're treating sunburn, your skin is already irritated. You don't want to do any other thing that will be harsh on your skin. So after washing off the treatment on your face, you can just go ahead and apply aloe vera gel on your face, or apply Vaseline on your face. You don't need to apply any cream that is harsh on your face to avoid, adding salt to the injury, if you understand me. So go ahead and apply any mild cream on your face, or better still, apply just aloe vera gel on your face. Okay guys, so this is it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in my next one. For now, bye.